Hey there, online students. It is Monday, September 4th, Labor Day. This is Dr. Buer. Welcome to the second week of classes. I hope all of you got off to a great start. And I want to remind you that if you have any questions about how the class is going to work, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. You can also go back to the intro video to myself, and I show you how to get in touch with me and make an appointment if you need that. So don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to going through the whole semester with you. But as for today, it's obviously a holiday, but I am doing a little bit of work, and I wanted to have this video for you as I normally do. So please pay attention and let's see what we've got going on in class for this week. In NT 5103, we are still working on textual criticism. We are at the place now where we are moving into practice. We overviewed the theory last week, and now we're looking at practice. And what you'll notice is that we've broken this down so that you have some assignments due on Wednesday, some on Friday, and then next Friday, the 15th, is when you turn in the actual TC problem. So please take a note at the instructions. You're going to work on internal evidence on Wednesday, and then you're going to work on external evidence for Friday, and then that will give you a whole week for me to give you some feedback, for you to come to me with any questions. We also have that Teams meeting next week if you want to talk about the paper. So we're gearing up for working through this sample problem so that you can get ready to do the full problem in Ephesians 2:21 at the end of next week. In NT 5104 online, we have done our introduction, and we are now currently going to work on the first part of our exegetical method. What you'll notice is that I have set this up such that I'd like for you to work through this basically straight through. So for example, you can see for this exegetical method, we have these assignments due on September the 8th, and then you'll notice that we have videos to watch, and so those are class recordings of me teaching on this. Then you'll notice that we have some reading to do, and so I basically will instruct you to read within the INTT textbook. So here you're going to read all of chapter 3 and a good part of chapter 4, etc. So just work through the module in order such that you can complete these assignments by Friday. Now notice these assignments on Friday have three parts. There's these diagrams you're to do for Ephesians 2:21. We have all of the scaffolding done, and your responsibility is to simply put the words on the diagram. But then make sure you read this note. This is really important because I want a clean copy of the diagram. So when you finish the diagram, make a clean copy, make a PDF and submit it, and then move on to the next assignment, which involves doing grammatical analysis like we did in NT 5103, and then follow the instructions here to look at the right things and to put that on the assignment. And then the third assignment that you'll turn in is the actual structural layout. So keep in mind, we've done all of this in NT 5103 already, but this gives us a chance to work on it again, to refine our method, and to get better at it so that this becomes a foundation of grammatical analysis for working through exegetical method. Now, in NT 5110, we are in our first real module. We are currently working on a Greco-Roman background, political background basically, and what you'll find is that every unit's going to have some reading to do from Longenecker's text. It's going to have this module is from Longenecker's text. There will be other texts that we read from. But then we've got some videos to watch of Dr. Bach teaching. And then every other module is going to have a discussion question. And so what this requires that you do is to think about what you have read and work through this particular question and dialogue with your classmates. Go back to the syllabus if you have any questions about what's required for these interactions. And the goal is to kind of think and probe and discuss and work on a particular issue that's important that'll be helpful for you understanding the material. I am excited for the semester to be underway. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Please know I'm praying for you, and if there's anything I can do, please reach out to me. Look forward to working with you online this week, and I hope it's a great week for you. Take care, and God bless.